Welcome back, everybody. It's been a minute since I posted, so I wanted to try something different. I went to Ulta and grabbed the Ardell Professional Seamless Underlashes, and this is the kit. Before I get into the lashes, I did pick up a couple things, so I'm just going to give you guys a mini haul. So I did get this kit, this exfoliating facial pad, because I'm so used to using washcloths for my face, but it's not working out at all. So that's what I'm going to be using. And then it's my birthday month, so I had to redeem my birthday reward. So this is what I got. It's the, ooh, that was definitely upside down. I'm sorry, y'all. This is the Tula skincare, and this is the purifying face cleanser. So I'm definitely going to be trying that out. Back to the kit. This is the WIspies, and it comes with an applicator, the bond and seal, which is this, and it also comes with a remover. So when you're ready to take your lashes off, you have the remover. So I'm going to open everything so you guys can see, get a closer view. Oh, before I get into that, this is my first time doing lashes at home. Well, I normally do like a strip lash, but I don't do individual. So yeah, we in this together. And yeah, I just decided to, I don't know, I'm so off topic. I had a latte today. I got so much energy. I decided to get the kit because instead of buying like the applicator, bond glue, and everything separate, it just got everything in there. And then I didn't want to be shopping for products and it turned out bad. So yeah, getting the kit was the best idea. So this is a closer view. Okay, so I like how they have the length of the lashes labeled on the pack. And also they have the example up here so you can see like what it would look like. I'm going for a natural look, so I doubt if I use the longer length of the lashes. So this is the applicator. This is the bond and seal. And this is the remover. Well, so far, I do like the fact that the applicator on the bond and the seal has like it's like a mascara. I don't even know the proper terms, but I like that it has the brush so you can easily put it on the lash. Also, the remover has the same thing, so it'll be easy to remove everything. I'm finna start and I'm so nervous, but like I said, I'm going for a natural look, so I'm going to start my ends off with the 12 mm in this. So first step is to apply the bond, and that is this part. It will say it on there. I'm going to apply the bond and then just start throwing on lashes.
Fuck. Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it.
Y'all, this is only one eye, and I'm definitely loving it. It's stuck on like, these are so easy to put on. Let me tell y'all, I only did one swipe. All I did was dip the bond and just put it on one eye. I didn't double dip. You don't have to do that. You don't have to double apply the bond. everything just stuck on right away. Y'all, look at that eye. Like, all right, so I did do 3 of the 12 mm and then I did 3 of the 10 mm. And yeah, this is how it looks, y'all. And I'm just gonna do the other eye off camera, and then I'm gonna see if I wanna extend anything on the ends, just to see if I wanna go like a little longer on the ends. But I do know like this right here looks amazing. So I just decided I'm just gonna leave them like this because I don't want to do anything too extra. I just wanted them to look a little natural. So now I'm just gonna seal everything. So I definitely think it's gonna take like a little while to dry. I am going to keep you guys updated because they do say that it's supposed to last 10 days. Okay, you guys, give me time to respond for the update because I am going to upload, well, I am going to upload this video the same day that I'm recording. So it may take me a little while to have an update. If you guys are allergic to latex, I wouldn't use this because it doesn't say anything about it being latex free. So yeah, I wouldn't mess with this product if you are allergic to latex. Yeah, that's everything for this video. Like I said, I did get this from Ulta, but if you want another option, I will leave a link. I will leave a link to my Amazon affiliate if you guys just want to purchase for Amazon. That'll be everything for this video, and I will see you guys in my next one.